How to design resume in Picsart. Need a resume that stands out? Here's how to design one in Picsart. Start with a blank canvas set to standard paper size. Use the text tool to add your name, contact info, and section headers like education, experience, and skills. Arrange the layout neatly using lines, boxes, or shapes to separate sections. Choose clean or professional fonts and keep colors minimal for a polished look. When you are finished, export your resume as a PDF or high resolution image ready to send. Do you prefer creative or traditional resumes? Share your choice in the comments below. Save your resume project in Picsart so you can update it anytime with new achievements. And that's how you can design resume in Picsart. And if this video helped, hit the like button, share it, subscribe, and leave a comment. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.